This Shop My Stash is a different one because I will pack for my holiday trip to Turkey. We will be leaving today, so I really need to do this a little bit quick. So I will just show you what was in my makeup bag till today, and I will remove some Project Pen items and some Pandat palettes so that I can just take the products that I really think I need there so that I don't overpack. Here at the top I have my palettes and my notebook, a sample blush that I'm still using and it's not finishing. Here's the progress, so this will stay here. And all my palettes will stay here from my project so that I can just take the palette that I want. So the problem is with my Panda palette, there are some pans and I'm really scared that they get shattered, or like with this one here. And yeah, so this will be empty for the start. My brushes will be with me. Then my bronzer will go, my palette. This is my project pan and I want to take this shimmery bronzer with me, so this will be with me. Then my loose powder, this one will stay too, I don't need another one. Then let's see, do I want to take my highlighter with me? I think no, I think I will take another one. The setting spray will not be with me, I think, or I think I will take it with me because the other one don't have a cap. I have 2 fixing sprays and 2 like more prep sprays, and I think this one is a good one for the evening because it's still hot in Turkey and in the evening. I will take my notebook and my pen. This blush here will leave because it's a little bit too cool toned. This mascara will leave because it's not my favorite and you will get a review about it too. I have it like since forever, but I don't like the brush. Then I have a random kabuki brush here. The skin tint moisturizer. I think this will stay here in Germany. I will not take it with me. My Chic Lamp stick. I think this one can go with me because it's a cream product. My NYX concealer will be with me. Then this eye crayon. Do I want to take it with me? I think from Essence. This wasn't an advent calendar. I think no. Then, yeah, this lip tint I will take with me because it's like a really nice reddish, peachy, grapefruity, orangey tone. Then another blush, I think I will take this too because it's like a peachy one. Then, see, these can go, and what do we have here? This can go. My eyebrow duo will be with me. My eyebrow glue and my pen I will take with me. And yes, this primer will be with me too because it's a mattifying one and it's a pore minimizer. See, eye pencil. This lip liner will be with me too because it's a red one, and this will be, I think, my only red product. Another eyebrow product. I rolled this in my last Shop My Stash and I really liked it. I think I will not declutter it. I will try to finish it because it's like really easy to stamp, but you really need to be a little bit careful. The brush is a little bit too big, so when it would be like a little bit smaller, then I would love it a little bit more. This jelly stick here is in my project pan and I will take it with me so that I can make a little bit more progress on it. And I think some really nice shimmery eye looks are nice. Then some random stuff and my mini tiny bit lip liner. I think this will stay because I have another one that I want to take with me. And yeah, these products will stay and this will leave my makeup bag. So let's just take the stuff that we need with us. Here's my first drawer, and I think I will take this waterproof mascara for the daily use, for the pool and the sea. Then let's see, this concealer here I will take with me because it's a full coverage one, and I think I need some full coverage sometimes in the evening. Then for the lip products, I will just cut it and then show you what I will take with me. These lip products I want to take with me. This is an Rival the Loop lip gloss, and it's a minty one, so that I can try to use it a little bit more. And I think it's like really nice for the daily use when it's like a little bit cooling in the hot weather. Then I have this more peachy toned one of these Maybelline ones. I love the formula, and I think this is like a good combination with the lip gloss, or sometimes on its own. Then a lip balm. It's from Isana. It's a nice one. It's a good one, and it's really small. Then a brownish glittery lip gloss, and this is from Action, like a really cheap one, but I think I really love it because I don't know if you can see, but the sparkle is like a little bit purpley one, and yeah, it's a really nice one. And then another shimmery lip gloss, and I now just need to search for some lip liners. The lip liner I want to take with me is this one here from She Glam, and I think it's a good color for every day. And like I said, the red one that was in my makeup bag. And then I just want one mascara that's not waterproof for the evening, and that's this one here from Panorama L'Oreal. And then now let's move on to the second drawer and see what we can take with us here. Here are my empties in this makeup bag. Let's see, one eyeshadow palette is good enough, I think. I think I want just to take this one here with me. This is my favorite palette, and it's a neutral one with really nice duochromes and everything, and I think this is a good one. It's the Glaminatrix Elegant Eyes. Then do I want to take, oh god, oh no, another one with me. Maybe this one here from Sailor Moon, because it have like really nice colors for the summertime, and when I want to have some pops of color maybe for the evening, I can take this with me, and I think these two are really enough to take with me. So because I don't really have a lot of time using all the time my makeup there, I want just to enjoy the days, and I just want to take this face mist with me because it's refreshing, and this will be like maybe empty when I will be back. I don't know, but I will use this a lot. And this is again from Action, and I really like it. Then yeah, I think this was everything that I want to take with me, right? Yeah, do I want to take some single eyeshadows more? No, I think the jelly one from She Glam is enough. Then yeah, blushes are enough too, so no blushes more. And let's check again here. Do I want to take something else with me? No, I think this is everything that I want to take. It's, I think, enough for a holiday trip. I will just show you how the makeup bag is looking now. Here's everything, small ones, and then here the palettes are under this notebook. And I think this is enough for me. And I will just show you maybe in the next month how my progress was, and I will see you there. Bye bye.